In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can send money to Jamaica online. Now this is one of the fastest ways that you can send money to your Jamaican bank account. You can also use this app to send money to a pickup location. Now the app we're going to be using is Remitly. The link is in the description below that will allow you to create your account and also download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. Now in order to sign in, all you really need is your email address and a password, and that's it, right? So I'm just going to log in now. Then once you're in the app, if you're sending for the first time, your home screen may look a little bit different from mine, right? However, you're going to select send, and then in your case, you'll be adding a new recipient. You would specify the amount that you want to send. It shows how much the recipient will receive, and you can choose your delivery method. Now the debit card deposit is the fastest option. The money will be available instantly. Now when you select the drop down, you have the option to do a bank deposit as well, also a cash pickup, right? So the bank deposit, it delivers in up to 21 hours, and the cash pickup instantly as well, right? So I'll be selecting my debit card to proceed. Then select continue. Now on this page, you'll select your payment method. My card is already linked, so I don't need to enter my card details again, right? So I'm just going to select it and then select next. This is a summary of the transaction. It gives me an estimate time when the money will be available. So I'm currently 1 hour ahead. So if you look at the time, it's 1:58. So the money should be available by approximately 1 p.m. JA time. So I'm going to hit send here, and then I'm going to log into my NCB bank account and confirm the time that it took to send. It's literally almost instant. So my transfer is complete. It's 1:59. This was the transfer, and as you can see, 12:59, which was approximately 1 o'clock. And that's how fast it is if you use a method to deposit directly to a debit card. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.